story begins here in the subreddit Wall Street Bets. For those of you unfamiliar with Wall Street Bets, the subreddit describes itself as the 4chan found Bloomberg terminal illness. It is a free-for-all forum where Redditors discuss investing on top of a barrage of memes, where its Redditors describe themselves as degenerates. So, what does Wall Street Bets have in connection with GME? Wall Street Bets Redditors realize that there was an immense amount of shorts coming from hedge funds for GameStop, the once sweet gaming sanctuary that held so many childhood memories by many was now being threatened. So, Redditors saddled up and came to the rescue of GameStop. They rallied and garnered enough support from the community and began a buying rampage of its shares, driving the stock price up and forcing a short squeeze, catapulting the stock into atmospheric levels to where it is now, 500% up just within the past week. This has caused hedge funds to wipe $70 billion from their portfolios. All because of the subreddit. So, what is happening now with Robinhood? Robinhood, a mainstay trading platform especially for millennial investors, has recently closed trades for GME. That, in light of recent volatility, it is restricting transactions for certain securities to position closing only. Other stocks included are AMC, PP, PPPY, EXPR, KOSS, and AKT, and NOK. It is debatable if GameStop could have continued its upward trend, but many share the belief that the inability to be able to buy shares on Robinhood has caused the stock price to drop more than 30% today. This shutting down of trades for these companies have severely triggered the internet. RT.com posted an article named Robinhood Trading App Accused of Market Manipulation After GameStop Trading Shutdown. They included numerous tweets from the Twitter community, including Glenn Greenwald tweeting, "It's hard to find market manipulation more flagrant than this, but since it's being done to protect the wealthiest and most powerful Wall Street oligarchs who own and control the establishment wings of both parties, it's very hard to imagine the government treating it as such." Chris Buskirk tweeted, "Robinhood won't allow purchases of AMC, PP, GME only sales. This is a brazen market manipulation to disadvantage small investors and help big hedge funds like Melvin who shorted these stocks. Will the SEC stop this, or will the SEC back the hedgies? Will the SEC stop this, or will the SEC back the hedgies?" Hank Oslo tweeted, "Use this form to file an SEC complaint about Robinhood's conduct. You'll notice if you click through to market manipulation, it encompasses rigging quotes, prices, or trades to make it look like there is more or less demand for security than is the case." David Dennis Jr. So those were just some tweets. So those were just some tweets showcasing the animosity that has built up of many in regards to Robinhood's position of shutting down trades for GameStop and AMC and the others. Even politicians, including prominent AOC and Ted Cruz, have expressed their including prominent AOC and Ted Cruz, have expressed their opposition to Robinhood's decision to close trading. AOC tweeted, "This is unacceptable. We now need to know more about Robinhood app's decision to block retail investors from purchasing stock while hedge funds are freely able to trade the stock as they see fit. As a member of the Financial Services Committee, I'd support a hearing if necessary." So here we are. Currently, GME stock is at $193.60.